My spirit guide Chester has been telling me for quite a number of years now that I haven't fully resolved things from the past, and I am carrying forward the burdens and I've not forgiven myself. But it's very hard, I think, to see where you're carrying stuff energetically. One of the things that I've started to come to realise, and Chester has confirmed this, whenever we're going about our day-to-day,